In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manychat AI in just 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming to streamline your customer interactions, or just curious about the potential of chatbots, this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to get started with Manychat AI effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to open your favorite browser and head over to the Manychat website. Simply type in Manychat into your search engine and it should be one of the top results. Click on the link to Manychat's official site. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself at the Manychat homepage, which is your gateway to the powerful tools they offer for automating your conversations. Now, look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. It's quite prominent, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Click on sign in and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Log into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one, a breeze to do by following their straightforward instructions. Upon signing in, you'll be directed to the Manychat home section. This is essentially the control panel where all your chatbot magic happens. From here, navigate to the home tab. It's where you'll get an overview of your account and see some key metrics related to your chatbot's performance. Next, it's time to focus on automation, the core of Manychat's functionality. In the menu, find and click on the automation option. This will open up a wide array of tools that you can use to build and manage automated workflows which handle repetitive tasks efficiently. Once within the automation section, look for the new automation button. Clicking on this will present you with a variety of templates and options. Don't worry about building everything from scratch. Manychat provides an array of templates that you can customize to suit your specific needs. As you proceed, you want to click on All Templates. This option will enable you to browse through the full selection of pre-designed templates that Manychat offers. It's a great way to kickstart your automation setup, especially if you're new to using chatbots. Finally, to tailor these templates to your needs, click on Automate Conversations with AI. It's here that you can set up AI-driven conversations that can respond intelligently to your customers. This selection allows you to harness the power of artificial intelligence, making your chatbot more responsive and smarter in handling user queries. And there you have it. You've just set up Manychat AI to start automating your customer interactions. It's a powerful tool that can save you time and improve customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.